Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Question number 5 of exercise 1.1. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. The first one, minus 4 by 5 multiplied with 1 is equal to 1 multiplied with minus 4 by 5. The answer is minus 4 by 5. So here 1 is multiplicative identity. Then second one, minus 13 by 17 multiplied with minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 multiplied with minus 13 by 17. So here A into B is equal to B into A. So here the property, commutative property is used. Then third one, minus 19 by 29 multiplied with 29 by minus 9 is equal to 1. So here multiplicative inverse property is used. As minus 19 by 29 is the multiplicative inverse of 29 by minus 19. So here multiplicative inverse. Question number 6 of exercise 1.1. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So first we have to find, this is the solution. First we have to find what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is equal to 1 by minus 7 by 16. So this is equal to 16 by minus 7. Then we multiply. Then multiplication of 6 by 13 by 16 by minus 7. So this is equal to 6 by 13 multiplied with 16 by minus 7. So this is 96 by minus 91. Next question is, tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 multiplied with 6 whole multiplied with 4 by 3. So here the property associative property is used. As we know that if A, B, C are three rational numbers, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So this is associative property. So this property, we will use this to compute this. So next question is, 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8 or not? Why or why not? So minus 1, 1 by 8 can be written as, that is 8 into 1, 8 plus 1, 9 by 8, minus 9 by 8. So multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8 is 1 by minus 9 by 8. So this is equal to 8 by minus 9. So 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8. As the negative sign is not there in 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. As the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8 is 8 by minus 9, not 8 by 9. The next question, Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3 or not? Why or why not? So 3 1 by 3 can be written as 10 by 3. So the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3 is 1 by 10 by 3. That is 3 by 10. So here the 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. So here answer is yes. 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. As 3 by 10 multiplied with 10 by 3 is equal to 1, because 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10 and 3 1 by 3 can be written as 10 by 3. So their product is 1. So 1 is the multiplicative inverse of other. Next, question number 10. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So answer is 0. 0 has no reciprocal because 1 by 0 is not defined. Then second, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals, that is 1 and minus 1. Because the 1 has reciprocal 1 by 1, that is equal to 1, and minus 1, 1 by minus 1 is also minus 1. Then third one, the rational number that is equal to its negative, that is 0. 0 is equal to minus 0. The answer is 0. Next, question number 11, fill in the blanks. First one, 0 has dash reciprocal. The answer is 0 has no reciprocal. Second, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals, 1 and minus 1. So 1 has reciprocal 1 by 1 is 1 and minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 is also minus 1. The 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocal. The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. Then reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is x. Then the product of two rational numbers is always a rational. Then the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always positive. So these are the answers of exercise 1.1.